Oh, these are the girls. I can't. Good. Oh, good gosh. Look how full this kid is. Oh my god, I really did that. I really did my big one with the sound. You want it, but I could be heartless, regardless of my conscience. Be honest, you want it, but I could be heartless, regardless of my conscience. Take time, you know, stare around whenever I see back fine. So you come my way, make sure you think twice. Look into my eyes, but I can never see eyes. I can point it, but you know I could never lie. Come through, I can show you something you can run to. When I'm finished, you'll be feeling brand new. Will never be somebody you can run through. And I can put that in my life one time, don't care. Big vibes, slow that, catch feels, yeah. If you make it better, you can lie. Just be on my time. You want it, but I can be heartless, regardless of my conscience. Be honest, you want it, but I can be heartless, regardless of my conscience.
People they talk them majesty, but the way your body twisting, make me lose control in a this thing.
Out this way. When I killed it, you'll say that I've been touching the curling wand my entire life. Okay, let me not gas myself up too much, but now I'm gonna gas myself up a lot because I even butt my leg, not my whole leg, don't worry, just a piece thing. I even butt myself. Oh, 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 oh.
Cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash out, cash out, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash out, cash out, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash out, cash out, cash out, cash out. Riding in the car with no keys, straight up. Louis V shirt with no sleeves. Okay, saw the gang leader, I'm repping. 21, chopper get the preaching, I'm the reverend. Call him new era, he capping. Yeah, them the type of niggas I ain't that on.
My cat's name is Coco Chanel. Her mother's name was Curious. Her father was probably Onyx. My brother named him Onyx. Onyx was a stray cat. Well, he wasn't a stray cat, he belonged to other people. But my brother named him because we don't talk to people. We don't talk about you. My cat Chanel, Coco Chanel is twinning. Could be twins, could be triplets. You never know. Stay tuned to find out. What is Chanel having? My brother said that if Chanel has boys, he's naming the boys. And I was like, okay, at least let me name one boy because we're most probably going to keep a boy and the girl again. And then he's like, nah, he's gonna name the boy cat, what's it called? LeBron James and Stephen Curry, something like that. Something like that. And I was like, why would you ever name your cat after basketball players? He looked me dead in the eye and was like, you name your cat after luxury brand. Now let me get into that. Let me get deeper. So Chanel had a little brother called Louis Vuitton. I posted him on my TikToks before. Like, he was a very clingy cat, like very protective, very clingy, very affectionate. Loved being on shoulders while you're doing the skincare, hair, like makeup. He don't care. He's on your shoulder. He will climb you like a tree and be on your shoulder. But unfortunately, about a month ago, Liverton that passed away. That is drying up. I'll add another layer just for extra hold because it's so hot in Midrand. It's so hot in Joburg. But these are the girls. I can't wait to brush them off.
That's what you've been. I was blind, I was in it, I was bad.
Oh, 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 oh. Yeah.
This close to go take a break to throw like that.
Now the chickens, that they don't have jobs.
Church might move to a better area because where they are isn't. Because where the church is right now is an industrial area.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I mean, yeah. But now, isn't there changing who they're getting the certification from? So that one is now you can't teach people in this area. It needs to change.
You are not alone. Okay, so I ripped my lips. But it's not bad. I did drill. I used the nail drill to semi-lace. It's not bad because this part was even going to be cut off. So don't understand, like, yeah, just be like, but you do it.
No, not that.
Not even like, oh, you do it, but like, it's like a thing of still like, but then like, I don't get it. Like, my friends do it, they don't see a problem with it. And be like, do you see your friend's parents?
Not even that's dismissing. I mean, let's say you tell them to do something. And no, but why do I always have to do this or this or that? Can you explain to it? Like, no, I tell you to do this because this will help you in the future. Rather than this nonsense that your fathers do, I don't mean like fathers and something, but also other families' fathers. None of this nonsense where it's like, oh, just do it. And then,
Tell me something.
tell me then, teach me then. Because
certain things, like, you can blur out the lines, right? But then at the same time, guarding me with that responsibility that, yeah, you explaining it like how an adult would talk to another adult and be like, you have responsibility, you have this, you have that, then yeah. Wednesday? I don't know what I'm doing on Tuesday. Like, oh no, I want to change, or I want to do this and everything. No. If you're not here by 8 o'clock, I'm gone. I will take a how train. I'm on my way.
brother of Christ, brother of... Come here for Nyash. Remember...
Doesn't he have a girlfriend?
No. Isn't when you're entering you can't date. Like, it's not advised to date because they say it's gonna, what's it called, mess up with your focus and studies and appointments.
Whatever you have, come on, let's give it a whirl. So I've been watching you. I like the way you move. So go ahead, girl, just do that shaking thing you do. Grab the girls and you grab a couple more, and you all meet me in the middle of the floor. Said the air is thick, it's smelling right. So you pass to the left and you sail to the right. Don't be so quick to walk away. Dance with me, I wanna rock your body.
You're gonna meet me outside at 8 on the dot. You come park outside, I'll come out of the house. Finger. Hang up.
Somebody did take a picture. Stop messing yourself up, bro.
At least I'm not wearing this dress right now. Yeah.
Soldier boy, I been it. Why me crank it? Why me roll? Why me crank that soldier boy? That Superman. Now why me crank that soldier? 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 Now what? Soldier boy, I been it. Why me crank it? Why me roll? Why me crank that soldier boy? That Superman. Now why me crank that soldier? 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 Now what? Soldier boy, been it. Why me been it? Why me roll? Superman. Yeah, why me crank that Robocop?
Say bye to Chanel.
Stop getting pregnant.
I'm jocking on. And if we get the fight, then I'm cocking on. You catch me at your local party, yes, I crank it every day. Haters get mad, cause I got me some baby names. Soldier boy, I'm in it. Why me crank it? Why me roll? Why me crank that soldier boy? That Superman. Now why me crank that soldier? 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 Now what? Soldier boy, I'm in it. Why me crank it? Why me roll? Why me crank that soldier boy? That Superman. Now why me crank that soldier? 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 Now what? I'm bouncing on my toes. Why me super so yeah? I'm a pass to A-Rab and he gon' crank it up for sure. Haters wanna be me, soldier boy. I'm the man. They be looking at my neck, saying it's new. Bang, bang, bang. Why me do? Why me do? Bang, bang. Let get to it. No, you can't do it like me. No, so don't do it like me. Oh, I see you try to do it like me. Man, that damn ugly. Soldier boy, I'm in it. Why me
So let's just lay down so you're not alive. Okay, I'm going to go dress up now. And then you will start. Oh, God. Look how full this hair is. Oh my God. Like, I really did that. I really did my big one. Okay, but these boy. So not babies, besties.
Why me crank that soldier boy, not Superman?